Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Magnifica XS with us in the shop. And this machine had came in because the power button wasn't responsive and it wasn't turning the machine on or operating any parts of the machine, even though power was being received through the outlet. And so I had opened up the lid, took off the front panel to make sure that it wasn't the board that's inside the panel, because you have two different boards on this machine. You have the front panel one, which is the one that controls all the lights, all the buttons, and sends it throughout the machine when you do command it. And then we have the side boards, quite long. It looks just like this. This is your older board right here. And as you can see, quite a lot of connections, quite a lot of ports that you can plug into. And what I found is, after swapping the screen out with a newer one, this ain't the newer one, this is your original one, didn't fix issues, so we replaced the sideboard, and as you can see, we're right up and we're turned on. And so we're just going to quickly brew a single shot just to show that the machine is running. And then we're going to test the steam, hot water to show all the functions of the machine, and maybe even a rinse just so we could clean out the spout. This is all the work we've done to the machine, because this machine is relatively clean on the inside and operating quite well. And so we didn't think it needed a tune-up this time around, but we do recommend some probably year or so from now to come back and get gasket swap, clean out the brew chamber, stuff like that. As you can see, we're in a great shot. Now usually boards go out if you either while it's plugged in, maybe go through some sort of power surge in your neighborhood or something along the lines. That's usually when you start seeing stuff like power boards go out. Now we're going to test the hot water. Working well. And then lastly, we're going to warm up the steaming function. It's going to turn on these two lights, and then this one's going to flash, letting you know that it is warming up. Then you would hear the pump slowly pump water through the system, and you should be able to open that and it should run. Alrighty. And that's about it for all the functions of this machine. We're just going to do a quick rinse, and then I'm going to clean this machine up to get it ready to be returned back to the original customer. But that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.